Hi everyone, today we are preparing an incomparable zebra cupcake. Delicious, soft, juicy and simply incredible cake. The recipe is very simple, no problems. Break 3 large or 4 small eggs into a container. Add a pinch of salt. Also add 160 grams of sugar and 10 grams of vanilla. Mix everything with a mixer. Pour 100 grams of pre-melted butter into the finished mixture. Mix 200 grams of flour and 10 grams of baking powder. Add to mix. Add 200 milliliters of kefir and mix with liquid ingredients. Divide the finished dough into 2 equal parts. Pour 10 grams of cocoa powder into 1 part and mix until the dough is chocolate colored. First pour 2 tablespoons of light dough onto the bottom of a greased form, pour 1 tablespoon of dark dough on top. Continue to spread the dough in this order, 1 tablespoon light, 1 tablespoon dark dough, until it ends. The dough is ready. You can decorate it by making patterns with a toothpick. We bake the cake for 30 to 40 minutes, at a temperature of 180. We check the readiness with a toothpick. It should come out dry, without residues of raw dough.